let's say that somebody shared a graphic on Canva with you and you want to make a copy of it. Like maybe you got my templates for pin images. Now you don't want to edit the actual file that I sent over, or that whoever shared the Canva file with you. You don't want to edit that because all your edits are going to show up, especially if it's a shared file. So what do you do? Well, I'm going to show you how to make a copy. So if you got the 6 pin templates link that I sent in my emails, then you're going to get this link and you just paste the link or click the link to open up the file in Canva. Now, if you got a link from someone else, you would do the same process and it's going to open it up. Now, if you edit this, all your edits are going to be there for everyone else to see. So we don't want to be doing that because maybe you don't want them to see your pins, but also you don't want to be the person that like edited all the pins and then now I have to go back and fix it, or whoever shared the file with you has to go back and fix it. And like, that's not cool, right? So let's avoid all of that headache, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do to save these to your account. Now, if you're someone that is sharing a link from your Canva document to someone else and you don't want them to like edit it, put just right here in the title, I just put copy to your account. Do not edit this. And then I put the name. So kind of help people out a little bit. You could also do something on the first graphic as kind of a note to them about, you know, hey, this is what you do. So you could put instructions here on this first graphic to help them out. But this is what they do. And you could also share this video. So that's another idea. So you can share this video with them. So all you're going to do is click File and you're going to click Make a Copy. And now this makes a whole new copy. And so what they can do is just delete all this part and then maybe put something that says like mine. Done. Now you have your own copy that you can edit. You can do whatever you need to do to it, and no one's going to see it, and it's yours. And you can copy this over and over and over again. This is especially handy if you are designing pin images, because you can design one template like this and then copy it over and over and over again within your account and just change the photos, change the words, and now you have a whole bunch of different pins.